Plant of the day today. This is kind of a fun one. It's very tropical looking. It's called Roscoea cinnamon stick. It comes out very, very late in the season, like mid to late June, I think. June, probably. I have another one that's a shorter one that's got red flowers, but it doesn't even come out until like July. So I keep thinking it's dead, but every year it comes back and every year it puts on a show. I just moved it out front to the deer buffet. We haven't had as many deer this lately because of the construction around here. So I suspect they'll probably munch it, but for the moment anyway, it's safe. It likes part shade. So like morning sun is good or dappled shade is good, just not hot afternoon sun. I had it in my sunny tropical looking bed and it kind of bleached out. Like it just kind of went this weird yellowy color and sort of flopped when I had it in there. So I've moved it back into the shade now. It also likes really good rich soil. Probably very happy with extra moisture. Just a guess. I don't know for sure, but I think it would not be happy if it dried out. It just has that feeling to it. Blossoms are super cool. Here, I'll see if I can zoom in and show you guys what they look like. Isn't that neat? It's got little like fangs hanging off of it. And it blooms for quite a long period of time. Like it'll just keep putting out these buds here. This is how big the flowers are. Puts out these buds and it keeps going for like 3 to 4 weeks. So it's just an ongoing thing and it'll keep just dropping old blossoms for quite a while. And as you can see, it's got these beautiful bright stems on it, which is why it's called cinnamon stick. So really nice tropical thing that you could add with like hostas or ferns. I've got a Brunnera right next to it here. Ligularia also would be really pretty with it. I've got 2 Ligularias in this bed. So yeah, anything that offers any different sort of leaf shapes, I guess, is the most key thing. And then if you have something that's shady, that goes in the shade, I mean, shady plants, that has a red in it, that would look really nice too, to bring that out. Oh, it just occurred to me. There's a penstemon that has a bright red kind of foliage to it in the fall that would look really nice with this. So yeah, moist, water retentive, but not like soaked. Like it wouldn't do well in boggy conditions, I don't think, but moisture retentive soil is good. Rich, grows to about 24 inches tall, maybe 30 if it's really, really happy and well established and stuff, but it's not a huge plant. Can't vouch for it being deer proof yet. I suspect they'll eat it once they start coming back to our neighborhood. What else can I say about it? No drought. Just say no to drought. Yeah, a beautiful tropical looking one. Would probably also look really nice in a pot. Like if you had something that kind of died back, or maybe annuals or something that it was coming up through so that it wasn't an empty pot, but you know, something that cascaded over the sides, like a geranium or something like that, that would also be really pretty. It's kind of like yeah, it's got kind of the form of something upright like a grass. Okay, I'm just yakking now. Anyway, so that's Roscoea cinnamon stick. Very pretty tropical looking plant.